here in Windsor with Jesse and Mel at their amazing new property that we're working on. What are we doing today, guys?
Well, we're in the nursery.
The nursery,
Doesn't look like much right now, but I am set on having a wallpaper for the baby.
Good. We're doing the ivy just like on the block?
Yeah. Tiles, mosaic,
yeah. Tiles.
really, please. So this is very similar to what we actually want, and it works perfect because we have an aura grey in this room already.
Yeah.
So, but I like how this has like a stucco type vibe. I like the leaves, but I want them to be more gold.
Great.
And a bit more tropical vibe, and I want them to come from the roof.
Love it.
Just very specific.
I love it. Okay, that way around.
Yes.
Not green.
Yes.
Gold.
Yes, please.
This background.
Yep.
And have a look at that background up close. How cool is that? It's not your typical plain grey. It's got the nice stucco kind of finish to it in the canvas. So I'm going to go back to Graphico, start designing and getting this wallpaper printed.